Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to sync segment to Facebook custom audiences here with Omnisend. Alright, so first up, go to the top, click on Apps. Alright, wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and find Facebook. Not the Facebook lead ads, Facebook custom audiences. Right here, click on it, and then wait for it to load. And once it loads, you just gotta click on Connect Now. And just follow the simple prompts right here to connect your account, okay? Select your assets, continue, and save. Got it. Select your Facebook business account, hit on connect. And once that's done, go back to Omnisend or the Omnisend dashboard and go to the audiences section, okay? Right here. Just click on the drop down that says audiences. Now click on segments. After that, go ahead and create your new segment. Create one from scratch. Add in a filter. Maybe just the subscription status right here, and hit on save. Segment name, maybe just go ahead and add in Facebook, save. All right, once that's done, just go back to segments, locate the newly created segment. We have Facebook right here, and go to the three dots, okay? And just click on sync to Google or Facebook, like so, and then select Facebook ads, okay? Continue with Facebook. Which contact do you want to sync? All contacts. Continue. Select which of Facebook audiences do you want to sync with a segment. Okay. Select right here if you don't have any audience. Just go and click on create new Facebook audience right here. And once done, just hit on continue. Follow simple prompts, review it, and once done, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.